Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character T step by step. I will first write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. T topic to mention. Problem for discussion. For example, 议题 topic, subject. Now check this sentence. What's the main topic for today's meeting? 今天的会议议题是什么？ Was the main topic for today's meeting?今天的会议议题是什么？ What's the main topic for today's meeting? 今天的会议议题是什么？ What's the main topic for today's meeting? 今天的会议议题是什么？ My daily handwriting on the character T. T topic to mention. Problem for discussion. 议题 topic, subject. What's the main topic for today's meeting? 今天的会议议题是什么？题 Please comment any words or sentence with the character T. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.